Here is my review. Look semi-public, you must have seen this. It's OPPO's upcoming K13 Pro Plus, which is said to have a fan.
Let's unbox it together next. When opening the packaging, does it feel full of mecha style? It really looks like it's in battle mode. This packaging really gives you an Evangelion vibe, because the official statement is that there are 3 color options this time: Unit 01, Battle Camp, and Black Knight. And then, the one I got is the Dark Warrior. To be honest, I'm quite looking forward to the first generation. Let's take a look at the true appearance of the phone. What is being presented to everyone now is the OPPO K13 Pro Plus. It is clear that this is a very cool black color, and below the lens there is a very cool light ring. Of course, to unlock the true mecha mode, you need to put on this phone case. Does it feel just right once you change the case? In fact, the camera module still retains the family design, but the halo ring really stands out.
The phone case is also quite cool.
Previously, I mentioned to everyone that this is a phone with a fan.
The official name for this feature is the Rapid Cooling Engine, and the way to activate the fan is by pulling down the notification bar.
There is an option for a cooling fan here, with 2 levels to choose from. On the front of the device we can see a pair of air outlets here. When you put your hand near it, you can feel the very strong airflow. Here, let's be more intuitive. Take our big heat source, and when we zoom out, the flames are blown aside by it. It can be said to have a very powerful cooling function. In this section, I increased the volume tenfold, and I could still hear a very strong wind sound. Furthermore, this camera light can be set to different colors, which is quite cool. In fact, I originally thought this type of model might be included with OnePlus or Realme, but unexpectedly it was arranged with OPPO, and the configuration is also very powerful.
You can all look forward to it. Let's sum up in the end.
Well, I didn't expect the K13 Pro Plus to be so powerful. It completely exceeded my usual impression of OPPO. Next, if you have performance needs, you should definitely consider this phone.
Alright, let's end here for today. Bye everyone.